Hello everyone, I'm Brian Guru, your avatar friend. Today, we are exploring 3 software programs that will allow you to create a logo in just a few minutes, saving you time and money, and most importantly, having fun. Over to you, Clara.
Thanks, Brian, and hello everyone. Let's start with LOOKA. Let's input the name of our brand. Let's add a slogan if we want. Let's incorporate one or more symbols that describe our brand. Here are the magical proposals for our logo. The generation of proposals is endless, thanks to LOOKA's advanced algorithms. Let's choose this one. Look here. We also have some previews of the brand design. Now let's see how we can modify the elements of our logo. Here we can find new suggestions, created by artificial intelligence. In layout, we can change the style and graphic arrangement of the logo. In the palette, we find other creative proposals for color schemes. Here, instead, we have ideas based on the current logo, showcasing different styles of writing the name and slogan. We can change the background. We can change the font of the name and slogan. We can choose different symbols. Here, we change the container of our logo. Now, following the settings we've seen, let me show you the final result of the logo after the modifications. Here is our logo, downloadable in every format and suitable for any type of need. NAMELIX is special. Not only can you create your logo in a few minutes, but if you need inspiration to find the right name for your brand, NAMELIX will help you. Let's input one or more keywords that describe our brand. Let's select the name style. It also provides practical examples to help us understand the style. To have more freedom, let's input Auto Now. Here we can give instructions to the software on how far it can go creatively. Let's briefly describe what our brand will be about. We can have names proposed with available domain options. And here are our results. As we can see, we have different name proposals and styles. Once we choose the proposal we like the most, we can edit the content as we wish. A window will open with different graphical proposals for this name. Let's choose this one. Here too, we can see how our logo can be branded. Let's go to the Edit section. We can change the settings and style of the name. The same applies to the slogan. We can change the icon settings. Up here, we can choose based on the style. We can change the background by adding a container. Again, up here, we can choose based on the style. Finally, here we can control the layout settings. This is the final result after following the steps we've seen. This software has it all. You can even use it just to find inspiration. Lastly, we have NAMECHEAP. Easy, fast, and intuitive. Let's input the brand name. If desired, let's add a slogan. Let's choose the font styles we like the most. Let's input a reference color. Let's choose 3 icons that we like the most. And here are our results. After selecting a proposal, we can edit the content. In the color section, we can modify the color settings. Here we can change the font of the name. The same applies to the slogan. Here we can change the icon by inputting text, and the software will show us specific icons that align with what we want. Our logo is ready, perfect for any type of branding.
Thanks, Clara. As always, there is a whole world of innovations to discover. If you enjoy the work we do for you, please leave a like and subscribe to the page. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.